This is gonna be my first time with this new exhaust. Sounds amazing. I didn't expect for it to be this loud though. I didn't expect it for it to sound this good. This is extremely fucking loud. Might be a little too loud, but that's what we want. I want to see how it sounds when I rev match down. Oh, there's a bike down there. What is that? Looks like an R7 or an R3. Pretty sure it's an R7. I want to get up to speed in rev match so I can see how it sounds. Probably gonna go on the highway to test that out though, so I could get all the way to 6th gear. Let's go get on the highway real quick. I don't think I can ever get tired of this sound. I can fall asleep listening to this exhaust. That's how good it sounds. I don't know if it's normal for it to smell a little burnt when you put a new exhaust on, because that's what it smells like right now. Hope you guys can actually hear the exhaust, because there's a lot of wind and I don't know if the microphone picks up the exhaust. I have it behind my helmet, so there shouldn't be a problem, but I don't know, we'll find out in a little bit. Time to get on the highway. Well, this isn't even a highway, this is a small little... Yeah, I guess it's a highway. Man, I'm gonna have to be behind this truck. And there's traffic, great, that's just what we wanted. I need some new sunglasses for riding. I don't like riding with the visor down. Alright, you know what? Here's what we're gonna do. There's no cops behind us, we are cutting through here. Mind me, just trying to get by. Thank you for moving out the way. He's turning in. I was gonna pass him regardless, so. Ah, I got something in my eye. I'm actually hoping one of these lights turn red so I can shift down. I haven't even heard how it sounds shifting down from a high gear. Alright, let's test out how it sounds shifting down from 5th to 1st. Left, right here. Alright, let's see. Not bad. I'm gonna take this thing downtown where the speed limit is 25, I'm pretty sure. take this bike to a straight road so I could just rip through there. I want to see what the max speed is on this. People say it's like 120, allegedly. But I'm not sure if that's true. Let's give this baby some juice. Time to fill up. Time to get some diesel. Shit, that sounds nice in here. Oh, we got another biker right here. Accident? God damn. How many cars are in the accident? 5? This guy again, I just saw him. Heading back home now. It's been a pretty chill ride. Riding is just 10 times better with the actual exhaust on it. The other exhaust made this bike sound electric. Well, obviously not electric, but you know what I mean. You get the point.